There is a computer inside HMRC that already knows more about your money than the person you live with. It reads your bank, your employer, your savings, your crypto, your property, and it's looking for exactly one thing: the number you didn't write down. Here's the part nobody tells you. You don't have to have done anything wrong. It doesn't run on guilt. It runs on mismatches. A number that's missing, a number that's wrong, a life that doesn't look like the life you declared. That's all it takes. They call this system Connect. Don't let the polite name fool you. It went live in 2010, built with help from BAE Systems, and it started as a way to catch the most obvious tax fraud, the cases too big and too sloppy to miss. 15 years on, it's grown into something else entirely. It cross-references your tax return against more than 30 external data sources, sifting through over 1 billion data points, looking for patterns that don't line up. It doesn't open an investigation because you cheated. It opens one because something looked wrong. A £10 difference, a date that's off, a number you left out because it felt too small to bother with. That's what this video is about. 6 completely ordinary mistakes that can put your name on that list. And the one thing that decides whether it's a 5-minute reply or a 2-year nightmare. And no, this isn't about the people who deserve to be caught. It's about you, filing honestly, doing everything right, and still getting the letter. Mistake 1. The life you're living versus the life you filed. You file a profit of £9,000. Modest, sensible. You owe next to nothing. Meanwhile, the system can see £14,000 moving through your accounts that year. It can see the new car. It can see the holiday photos. None of that is illegal. Maybe a family member helped with the deposit. Maybe you saved for years. But the computer doesn't know your story. It only knows the numbers don't match the picture. That's called a lifestyle mismatch, and it's the single fastest flag there is. HMRC's own manuals confirm they use openly available material during investigations, and that includes social media. So the rule isn't don't post. The rule is make sure the life you're showing the world is a life your return can actually explain. Mistake 2. The expense you can't prove. Say you claim 12,000 business miles, except your car is 3 years old and you work from home full-time. HMRC will ask for the logbook, and when there isn't one, the entire claim falls over, and you pay the tax back plus the fine. Not your accountant, you. There's no comeback when it's your name on the bottom. Mistake 3. The missing number. HMRC already holds data from your employer, your banks, your crypto exchanges, the land registry. So when you leave a box empty or put a number that doesn't match what they already have, it's not a red flag. It's an automatic letter. A £75 bank switching bonus you forgot. A £140 crypto sale from years ago. A student loan you paid off early and never told them about. HMRC already has every one of those numbers from the other side. And here's the worst part. It can be someone else's fault. If your employer sends HMRC a wrong figure, you still get the letter, even when your own paperwork is perfect. Mistake 4. The VAT repayment. You normally pay VAT every quarter. Then one quarter you claim a repayment because you bought a van and stocked up. Completely legitimate. But it's the first time you've asked for money back, and it's a big, round number. The system flags the change. Then they ask for the invoice. And in VAT, a receipt only counts if the name and address are right. A perfectly valid claim can die over a misspelled postcode. Mistake 5. The trade you can't choose. If you run a cash-heavy business, a takeaway, a taxi, a market stall, a barbershop, you're already on a list, whether you like it or not. The pattern that gets people isn't taking cash. It's taking cash and leaving no trace of what happened to it. If money comes in as cash and your books show nothing paid out to you, the system asks the obvious question: what are you living on? Mistake 6. ignoring the letter. So it lands, the brown envelope. Here's the single most important thing I can tell you, and it sounds too obvious. Don't ignore it. Most investigations end the moment you send the paperwork. No meeting, no penalty, nothing. The ones that spiral are the ones where the letter sat unopened for a month. What happens next comes down to two things: your records and how fast you respond. So here's what to actually do. 5 things starting today. 1. Open a separate bank account for any self-employment or side income. Clean in, clean out. No lifestyle mismatch to explain. 2. Put every number on your return, even the ones that feel too small to matter. HMRC already has them from the other side. 3. Use bookkeeping software and update it as you go, not once a year in a panic, and keep every receipt with the correct name and address. 4. If your income involves cash, record what came in, what went out, and what you drew for yourself. Cash isn't a dirty word. Invisible cash is. 5. If the letter does arrive, open it the same week. Great records turn a 2-year nightmare into a 5-minute reply. That isn't exaggeration, that's the actual fork in the road. This isn't personalized tax advice for your specific situation. For that, speak to a qualified accountant who can look at your actual numbers. HMRC's supercomputer isn't coming for criminals, it's coming for mismatches. And mismatches come from ordinary people having an off year, forgetting a small number, or filing before the documents were ready. You don't need to be scared of it, you need to be boring about it. Separate account, every number in, receipts with the right name, respond fast. Do those 4 things and you've removed yourself from 90% of the risk without changing a single thing about how much tax you pay. If this saved you a headache, like and subscribe and tell me in the comments, have you ever had one of these letters? I read every one. See you in the next one.